Welcome on Smartness TV. We are going to study how to ask direction. How can you ask direction when you are in the journey, when you are going to take the bicycle, when you are going to take moto? How can you ask direction? Murakaza neza kuri Smartness TV. Tugiye kwiga mu rurimi rw'icyongereza. Kubazi Ikinyarwanda ubwo turiga icyongereza, kubazi icyongereza ubwo turiga ikinyarwanda. Tugiye kwiga ese ni gute nshobora kuyoboza, ni gute nshobora kugera aho ngiye nkoresheje amagambo ntari nsanzwe menyereye cyane. Birashoboka ko wakwisanga uri kumwe n'umuntu uvuga icyongereza gusa, birashoboka ko wakwisanga uri kumwe n'umuntu uvuga ikinyarwanda gusa. Niyo mpamvu tugiye kwiga ni gute nshobora kubaza icyerekezo. Murakoze cyane, dukurikire. Asking for direction. Asking for direction. Kuyoboza. Kuyoboza. Here you have dialogue between someone who asks direction and someone who knows the place in which that another one want to go. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Babarira gato bwana. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. Babarira gato bwana. What's wrong? What's wrong? Ni ibiki? Ni ibiki? Habaye iki? I got lost. I got lost. I got lost. Nayobye. Nayobye. I got lost. Nayobye. Can you direct me to conversion? Can you direct me to conversion? Wanyobora kuri conversion. Wanyobora kuri conversion. I'm sorry. I don't know that place. I'm sorry. I don't know that place. I'm sorry. I don't know that place. Nyihanganira. Aho hantu simpazi. Nyihanganira. Aho hantu simpazi. Nyihanganira. Aho hantu simpazi. How about Kigali Arena? How about Kigali Arena? How about Kigali Arena? Naho se kuri arena? Naho se kuri arena? Take this road. Take this road. Take this road. Nyura uyu muhanda. Nyura uyu muhanda. How far is it? How far is it? How far is it? How far is it? Haresha hate. Haresha hate. Haresha hate. It's about 300 meters. It's about 300 meters. It's about 300 meters. Ni nka metero magana atatu. Ni nka metero magana atatu. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Murakoze cyane. Murakoze cyane. I repeat again. Asking for direction. Asking for direction. Kuyoboza. Excuse me, sir. Babarira gato bwana. What's wrong? Habaye iki? I got lost. Nayobye. Can you direct me to conversion? Can you direct me to conversion? Wanyobora kuri conversion? I'm sorry, I don't know that place. ntabwo nyihanganira aho hantu simpazi. I'm sorry, I don't know that place. Nyihanganira aho hantu simpazi. How about Kigali Arena? How about Kigali Arena? Naho se kuri arena? Take this road. Take this road. Nyura uno muhanda. How far is it? How far is it? Hareshya hate? It's about 300 meters. It's about 300 meters. Ni nka metero 300. Thank you so much. Murakoze cyane. Thank you so much. Murakoze cyane. Don't forget to subscribe. We are together. We'll continue. We are together in learning English and Kinyarwanda at the same time. Thank you very much.